What's up guys, it's Sebastian. So in this video, I'm going to walk through a ton of my subscribers' websites and criticize them, give them advice, and just figure out exactly what they're doing wrong and how I can help them improve their website. Because a few videos ago, I actually showed you guys exactly how to create a nice product page. So in this one, I'm just going to give some criticism and advice to all of these websites that I got in my DMs, and we will basically go through as many as we can. I don't want to make this video an hour long, so I'll keep things nice and fast and quick and go through, again, as many as I can. And then I will show you guys some stores that have done over $1 million plus in revenue in the past 6 months, so you guys know exactly what type of structure your website should look like. So before we get into my computer, be sure to smash that like button and click subscribe if you haven't already. I'm posting every single day. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into my computer. All right, so this first one right here is called Survival Ninja. Now this is a fellow YouTuber's site. If you guys know who it is, comment below. I'm not gonna say it, but yeah, he sent me this in my DMs and said I should check it out because I think he made a video about it already. So it is this survival shovel that I literally just talked about in the video I uploaded today, which is the video that now you guys are watching this tomorrow. So the video I uploaded yesterday, I showed this product. So we're gonna go through the main priority, in my opinion, is the product page. That is what you're sending your traffic to, so that's what you need to have optimized. But yes, homepage does matter, but I'm just going to focus on their product pages because that is basically the most important in my opinion. But again, it's not like you shouldn't focus on everything. Just, I only have time to go through the product page, so we will do this. So off the bat, we have, the logo is fine. It's not really anything crazy, but it looks good. It has a nice face behind the brand, so that's good. 23-in-1 Survival Ninja multi-purpose tactical shovel, that is good. And then this is the booster theme. This is exactly what I used to use last year. I personally don't use the booster theme because it does have quite a bit of urgency and it doesn't look good long term, like this only 7 left, buy now. But there are specific niches you can use this in. I believe when you sell this to older demographics, it does convert well, but younger people have definitely caught on to the whole dropshipping website. So all this urgency, I personally don't use it anymore, but you definitely can. I just don't really think it's of value. One thing I do want to note right here is they have the read more button. So that forces people to click before they even see all these nice videos and more text that is regarding the product. So I definitely would not have a read more button. I would just continuously have this product description opened up and showcased because they're good videos. The GIFs are good. Everything is good. They look good. You just never want to hide the product description because that is what sells your product. Potential consumers have tons of questions, so your product description is what is going to sell the product. And if it's hidden, some people are not that smart, and you basically need to dumbify your website. Just make it as simple as you possibly can, eliminate the amount of clicks people have to do, and make it, again, very, very simple, or else you will not have a lot of add to carts and purchases. And then as you guys know, Booster does have these checkout badges. They're fine. Again, they work with certain demographics. Like for myself, when I sell to younger demographics, I don't really use them. They look too spammy and it just isn't something I think is of value. And then they of course have reviews right here. This is Luke's, and this is definitely selling to older people because older people are have more authority and go hiking and have the authority to carry certain tools and stuff. At least when I go hiking and I go camping with older people and family members, they're normally the ones who are the pack leaders. So they carry these types of tools. It's not normally me that's shopping for them. So you definitely want to have longer reviews. One thing I do is go onto Amazon and read a review, and then you can fabricate reviews with Luke's and add those because they are genuine reviews from Amazon, and then publish it onto your website so that you can have very in-depth stuff and key points as to what the customer enjoys about the product. And then if a potential consumer reads that and realizes, oh wow, okay, all these people are enjoying the product, I'm definitely going to buy it. That is what happens in the mind of certain people. So having longer reviews with more in-depth details, just like Amazon, again, Amazon does it well. People do in-depth reviews on there, so you can definitely take note of reviews from Amazon. But overall, it's good. The buy it now button is very open and in your face, which is nice. And it has the same structure that I always recommend. You have some text to introduce the product, then you have a GIF or a photo, then you just do some more key points of the product, then more content to just continuously show in the consumer's head how the product works and how it can benefit their life. And then it explains exactly everything the product can do right there. Another photo, and then it shows the dimensions and what the package includes. That's exactly what I would do if I was setting up this product. And again, this is a great product. I just showed this in my last video. So overall, I would give this product page maybe a 7 out of 10. Personally, I would set this up with something like gem pages so that I can sell the product better. Stuff like this just really sells better with a funnel style product page. I know it's a little difficult to set those up, but your conversion rate and your AOV will be through the roof if you have a funnel with bundles and stuff along those lines. But overall, 7 out of 10, has a good product description and has some urgency, which again works with some demographics, and then has a lot of reviews. So that's all good. I will go, oh wait, that's hilarious. They just reviewed it right there. That's the YouTuber was. But yeah, overall 7 out of 10. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one is called supplybeast.com. And they are selling, so off the bat, I believe when you land on a website, you should know exactly what they're selling. And I didn't really know. I was thinking sunglasses, but it looks like it's a general store. So, you know, yes, general stores, I know general stores that are generating $1 million plus a month. I know people who are running them and they're doing really well, but you have to be extremely skilled in marketing with Facebook ads or Google ads to generate that amount of income. If you don't, it will be way too taxing on your budget and you will blow through all of your money. You won't have enough to test all those products and scale them because you probably don't know how to run a general store properly. So if you are just starting out, I don't suggest a general store, but let's go through this one. Actually, I'm going to go on their homepage and see if they have like a best sellers list right here. So yeah, apparently it's this car LED lights. I've seen this product a lot on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. So the product sells well. I have friends who have bought this for in their car, and then they have the underglow outside. So yes, the product does sell well. They have multiple variants right here. And again, this is the booster theme. This person is also doing it where they have the read more. I would strongly suggest taking that off. And wow, this product description is very small. So as I showed you, this product description has a lot of details and videos and GIFs and photos explaining exactly what the product is so that the consumer knows exactly what they're getting if they purchase it. This one is very, very short. So obviously, if I was comparing these two sites, I would definitely give the trophy to this one because of the fact that this product description is short and bland. And it doesn't really explain exactly what the product comes with. When you buy these types of products, you need to know, okay, you know, does it take batteries? Does it hook up to my battery on my car? Or like, how does it work? You need it very, very simplified for the consumer so they know exactly how it works. Is it hard to set up on my car? Like, do I have to do a ton of wiring? Is it easy? All of these questions need to be answered because that's what the consumer is potentially thinking about. You have to think of almost all the questions that someone is asking when they're on this product page that's holding them from buying the product, and then you have to answer them on your product page so that you can have a high conversion rate. And then they have no reviews, which looks bad. That's another tough thing with a general store is you have to import reviews on every single product, which takes quite a bit of time. So I would give this store a 5 out of 10. I mean, it has a decent theme, but focus. I would say narrow this down to 2 or 3 products and test those, and then figure out which one's going to be your main product and focus exactly on that one. Get custom content, make a longer description with some GIFs and photos, and then, yeah, you shouldn't have a problem. Okay, this next one is a posture corrector. So we'll go to buy now, and we'll figure out exactly what it is. So it's called Smart Shape Posture Device. So if I was titling this Smart Shape, I wouldn't title my site Pranella because that looks a little weird. It looks like you're just a reseller of the product. For myself, I just would create this as Pranella Posture Device because you want to have it look branded. So that's number one. The coloring is good. So this is all blue. If you're selling a product and you have all blue, you want to have this add to cart button pop. So this is something I do on a few product pages. Some I leave it the same color, but for this is another product that I would definitely use a funnel style product page like gem pages to sell because these products need a lot of explaining so that people know exactly what they're working with. So right here, they do have free bullet points, you know, free shipping, 30-day money back, save 50% for a limited time, no more slouching, instantly help you fix your posture. And then they have some pictures. Why do you need this? Instant fix. Okay, and then right here it says vibrates when you have bad posture. This photo needs to be on top. This photo needs to be high up so that people know exactly what the product is. Because again, when I landed on this, I just thought it was a normal posture corrector. So you have to have that on top, or else people are going to be confused. Again, you have to simplify your product pages because you have to think that everyone is not going to read into it too much and just kind of glance, and if they understand it, then they're going to read more, but you have to get them hooked right away. And then they have reviews. The reviews look good. I mean, they're pretty long, which is good, and they explain the product. So that's good. Overall, I would probably give this website an 8 out of 10. I would say the product page is good. The description is solid. They have all this stuff that allows people to trust the product. Again, I would just restructure this in a gem page and have it set up like a funnel, because these types of products, people buy multiple, especially if it's a posture corrector that a lot of people need. I'm sure if someone has bad posture, maybe their wife or their husband has bad posture, and if you are sourcing these for like $10 or something and selling them for $45, one thing you could do is you can say, okay, you can buy one for $45, or we can upsell you and you'll buy two for $60 or $65. That looks like a way better offer. You're profiting a little more and your average order value gets increased. So I would definitely do that. Again, add a gem page or something that allows you to set up product pages very easily. I'm not sponsored by Gempage, by the way. I love the app. It works really well. So overall, 8 out of 10. Okay, I'm gonna do one more website and then I'm gonna show you guys some really, really successful ones. So this one is called, he doesn't even have a domain, so that's number one. That's called Mr. Might. I believe that's his logo. Yeah. So it is allergic. Let's just go. Can I go to the product page so I can figure out what this product is? Mr. Might anti-mite vacuum. Okay, wow. Wait, are you serious? Did someone actually send me this? This isn't even the website isn't even finished. Okay. That's bad. Okay, well, there's a lot I want to say. First things first, this photo is low quality. All these photos are really low resolution. They're very pixelated, so that needs to be fixed. And then, I mean, first things, like the main thing though, whoever made this site, you have no product description. It literally just says might. So that's really bad. I'm done with that site. There wasn't really much for me to critique, but this site has done over, I believe, $2 million in the past year, over $1 million the past 6 months. So great product. The product website is amazing. I'll get to the homepage so I can show you guys exactly how it happens. So you click shop now and then you come to this product page. They have this nice teal looking blue throughout the whole website, and everything looks very cool and calming. They have the sticky add to cart that opens up a little bit, and then off the bat, their product description. So this is exactly what you guys should do. When they saw this product and potentially wanted to sell it, they noticed it was a one size fits all. Customers don't know that. So off the bat, they said, will these fit my needs? Yes, one size fits all. The length of the brace and both upper lower straps are fully adjustable. Boom, check that off the list. Do they hurt? Because look, there's a strap on your leg and these springs. It looks like it may be a little painful for people to wear. Do they hurt? Our braces can be worn comfortably under or over your pants without giving you a rash or burning sensation behind your knees. So, check that off the list. And then the next thing, it doesn't come with just one. So when you buy this, it is a pair. So they have that answered in their product title and then what the package includes. So they get straight to the point. And then they explain why people need this. So why do you need this? Simultaneously, they have this photo lined up that says, you can stand easier, you can walk lighter, run faster, jump higher, lift heavier. It's gravity-defying spring system. And then they, again, explain exactly why you need this, which is great. And then feel the difference immediately. So people in their heads, they're probably like, does it take weeks to actually activate to where I feel something? No, you actually feel stuff differently. You can immediately feel relief. You can walk and run healthier, and it feels just so amazing instantly. So that is another question people are going to ask. And then who will this benefit? So who's this product for? I'm a 70-year-old man. My knees hurt when I stand up. Will this help me? And they basically answer all of this stuff. So they're showing, yes, boom, good for grandparents and good for working out, older people like hiking, golfers, runners. If you're doing heavy lifting, it will help you no matter what. And then people are like, okay, this is cool. Like, how does it work? What's the design like? Okay, so boom, they have a moisture wicking tech design inside, and they have this spring system on the hinge, and then it is fully adjustable. So they're just checking all these questions off the boxes and answering them all in the product description, because that is how you convert these visits into sales. And then they have a GIF that's a little low quality, but nonetheless, they're showing exactly how the product works and they're also including tons of different ages and uses. So they're showing, someone's working out, someone's lifting up heavy stuff while he's working. These runners, these older people are using them. They're showing tons of people using them to get their, if you're a potential consumer, they're getting it in their head like, okay, an older person is using it, so I'm also old, I can use it. And then they have reviews right here from Facebook saying, they really do work, blah, blah, blah. They have these trust badges right here, worldwide shipping, payment security, 24/7 service, 14-day money-back guarantee, and then they have reviews. I know that's a guy from YouTube, and that's just a Minecraft person. I don't know who that is, but those look weird. Besides that, the reviews are decent. This one's a little longer, so that's good. You want to have, again, some long ones that explain exactly what the product is and how the customer liked the product. So hopefully you guys can understand why this site has done over $2 million in revenue. They answer basically every question the potential consumer has for this product so that they either just buy it or not. And it's very simple. So I hope you guys liked this video. I thought I could go through more websites, but there's actually a lot of things I had to mention to help all the websites out that I did go through. So hope you guys did get value from this. And then again, take note of that website I showed you at the end that was selling the knee brace. They are killing it. They've done over $2 million in sales, and it's very obvious why. Again, like I said, they answer all the questions that potential consumers have to make it a very simple checkout process for these consumers. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy and got value. If you did, smash that like button, click subscribe because I'm posting every single day. And if you have a question or concern, drop it in the comment section below. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.